to all the ladies, to all the mothers, happy Mother's Day to you. I hope you are having a great day with your family, your friends, your spouse, all the good fun stuff. Now, since we got all the beautiful things out of the way, talk about the bad news, man. Well, it's not bad news, it's just life, and life right now is completely beating up cryptocurrency. Getting beat up. If you're in the game, you're losing money. I'm losing money. Everybody losing money. I wish I had some more money to buy the dip, but can't really even buy the dip right now. But I will within the next few days, so I need to stay down or go down some more. Why is everything going to hell with cryptocurrency? That's what you want to know. There is multiple reasons. There's not just one reason. You're not going to go to somebody's channel and they're going to say it's 50 different reasons. This is the main reason why Bitcoin is going down. No, it's multiple reasons. First thing first is mirroring the stock market and the economy. The economy right now is shit. SHIT is terrible. You see all the stocks going down because you see people will talk about how volatile is cryptocurrency. Look at the stock market. Look at Netflix. Look at Robinhood. So things are completely getting beat up. And I believe, this is my philosophy or my opinion, we're going to find out tomorrow. Not a financial advisor, just a black brother giving y'all some game. I believe tomorrow will be the worst day in the stock market in probably like 20 years. I think we're about to have a big crash tomorrow because the indication, you see how we ended last week, ended bad. One of the worst days in a while since November, I believe, or it's bad. We have so many earner reports coming out tomorrow. Off the top of my head, shoot, I don't even want to butcher it. When I go live later on, I have a list. It's like 12 major companies that's doing the earner reports. And the way the market is now, one bad apple will mess it up for everybody else. What I mean by that, we can have 4 amazing reports. 4 companies made money. CVS, yeah, you made money. Target, you made money, all this type of stuff. And you have one company that tanked, it can completely bring everything else down. Not a kind of building. What up, though? Was popping. So it don't really matter tomorrow. A lot of stuff is gonna bring everything down. In my opinion, we will see tomorrow because I think since they already know that, that's why Bitcoin is going completely down. Parabolic at this point. And it's bad. Now the question is, how long is this going to last like this? Well, before we get there, we have to talk about other reasons. Next reason is the real estate market. Real estate market is coming into the recession or whatever you want to call it quicker than a lot of people expected. A lot of people didn't expect. They said, all right, real estate, yeah, we know it's going to cool down. It's going to bubble in like 3 or 4 more months. No, it's doing it now. Nobody is buying houses for the most part because interest rates completely went up. Nobody is refinancing their homes because interest rates went up. If you wanted to refinance, you was going to refinance last year when you was able to get 2%. Everybody in here, make sure you press that like button. Let's get the likes up. We had 12 people. We always need it at 50%. Let's get the likes up to 6, and we can continue on with what I am talking about. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. I hope you guys are enjoying it. All the fellas, I hope you are treating your ladies good. For my wife, I got her absolutely nothing because the thing is, we rarely celebrate too many holidays because I buy her a flower, a rose once a damn week. She don't got to work no more. She got all of this. But, I guess usually we don't never celebrate Mother's Day or any holidays. But I guess she was in the spirits today of, well, where you going? You about to go do something? It is Mother's Day. So I guess I say, hey, let's get out the house. I'm going to take her and a kid out Mexican restaurant, eat some Mexican food. Restaurant she like, get her some good margaritas, get her nice and tipsy. Go to Target. She wants to go to Target. Take her to Target. Would probably buy her and the kids something. Come back here, do a bunch of YouTubes, kick it. That's the plan. All right, back to what I was saying. So you have housing market. Nobody's about to buy no house when the market is completely going to shit. Like, you got to think, you want to buy a house. You're like, all right, I'm about to get this $300,000 house, and you have $500,000 in your, well, you thought you had $500,000 in your 401k or your stock portfolio, and you wake up and you see it's at 300,000. You done lost 200,000 in the last month or something. It's like, damn, the money I could have paid for a house, I just lost in a market. So that's going bad. Next, we have the WAR stuff going on with Ukraine and Russia. Like, don't forget, we still got that. Have y'all noticed gas prices is slowly but surely doing that good old creep? They creeping right on back up. Just went to get some gas at the lowest place in the area. This BP always had the lowest prices. It was 407, and that's low. So gas prices completely went up. What's going on, everybody in here? We have Nautica say 15% APY. Salamander say, what's up from Texas? Buy more crypto, baby, and know it. Property taxes going up. Government say, I'm a Michigan fan. Go blue, baby. And no, I'm a Michigan man all day. Tom Brady is the GOAT. Get an enchilada. Yeah, we're going to get something good. C19 and gas is going up. C19, I don't know. I honestly think it's a new bug. Mark my words. We're going to bring this video back up. I believe in another like 2 months, they're going to come out and say we have a new virus out here. Because me and my wife, we both had like a regular cold mixed with a sinus infection. Everybody I've been talking to has been having the same thing. It lasts for like 7 days, feel like a cold, but you kind of stuffed up and you got this terrible cough. So I'm probably like on the last days of it. Me and her both had it. Then Omar to get in, the kid ended up getting it. So he's like in the thick of it now going, he on the last days too. But I believe that's going to be like the next thing. They're going to say, hey, it's a new virus where, no, at this point, you got to do what you got to do. The more people get vaccinated, the less chance for the world to get infected. Allegedly. My boy just called me the other day, says dead in the hospital with the C19, and he said, man, my dad didn't got the shot. He didn't got the boosters. He got the booster on top of the booster, and I'm over here regular, and I done literally had one. I only had the C word literally one time. Haven't had it since. Been healthy, been good, but you got to keep yourself up. So back to crypto, back to the market. The question is this the bottom? Is it really bottom? Are you worried that USC may unpeg? USC did unpeg for a hot second. It did unpeg for a hot second. I'm not worried. I am more bullish because as of right now, of my understanding, Luna didn't sell any of their Bitcoin. So at least I would probably be more worried if it dropped down and they got to selling some of theirs. Then it's like, oh, shoot, y'all supposed to be holding it down. But yeah, it got unpegged because the thing is with UST, people want, it's a stable coin. People want things to be. Nah, can y'all hear me now? We should be good now, hopefully. Let's see. All right, good. We back. That's the problem. Whenever somebody call and I'm live on my phone, it's terrible because it literally messes some of you. I'm on my phone. I'm outside. It's like somebody call you. It will piss me off. This is somebody I haven't talked to in years that just called me. So it's not like it's getting interrupted by a regular. It's one of my coworkers I haven't talked to in a long time. But yeah, I'm more bullish with UST, with Luna. I think that was a great dip, a great buying opportunity for everybody. And you know, I still own some Luna. I'm always going to own some Luna. I think that's a great thing. Bitcoin went under 30. Did it go under 35 or went just under 36? Somebody tell me, did Bitcoin go under 35,000? What was the low in the last 24 hours with Bitcoin? I know Ethereum went under 2,500. And y'all know my philosophy has been Bitcoin is going to literally trade between 35,000 and 45,000 with a high of 52. And I never said a low. That's what I'm gonna probably do tonight. Like, yo, what's the low when it actually go under? But I think we're gonna still stay within my frame, I'm believing. Bitcoin didn't get over 40K. Yeah, I said it's going between 35,000 and 45,000 in the year 2022. That's why I said this year Bitcoin is just going to be in a sunken place. It's going to spike up crazy some days, and it's going to spike down, but in between it's going to stay in between 35 and 45,000. Let's see, assuming I'm loading up on BTC, Ethereum, SPY on your yeah, that's the best way to do it. SPY, SPY, QQQ, and IYH. Those are the only three you possibly need in your portfolio. Keep on dollar cost averaging. Try to get your whole Bitcoin this year, because this is the lowest we're going to be able to have Bitcoin. SPY is an ETF. It's an ETF that covered the S&P top 500 companies. So instead of you having to invest in Tesla, Apple, all that stuff, you can do it within SPY. QQQ is a mirror of like the NASDAQ and all the tech-like companies. And IYH is a healthcare ETF that cover all the top healthcare companies. So you got your top companies, tech, and healthcare, all you really need. That's when I become a millionaire, that's all I'm going to invest in, to be honest. The rest would just be fun YouTube stuff to just talk about. But my portfolio is going to be boring as hell once I become a millionaire. Those only going to be the three that I invest in. Top of the chat. Morning, brother. 7 a.m. in Sydney. Hey, we got Sydney in the building. What up, though, Victor? What's going on? Victor Tay Purry, my brother. Say 7 a.m. morning, Sydney. Another beautiful day in paradise. Bitcoin at 34K. I stopped believing in Shiba. Might go to 1 cent. So this is the deal. I have done a lot of lives talking about this. A lot of lives. And I'm going to talk about it right now. Because when things are going good, right? And listen, like real life, listen to me. If you don't pay attention to anything I say in this video, listen to this. When things are going good, it's hard to find fault in what's going on in a relationship. She looked good going to date. Everything is all fun. You're all happy. You're getting some ass. Everything fun. You know, the beginning phase. When stuff get real, that's when you really see what you are made of out of a couple. Now, translating that over to cryptocurrency, when things are going good, meme coins can also go good. And a lot of people have the expectations of, we can get married, meaning we're going to go to the moon. Everything's just going to just be so peachy keen and perfect. But in reality, with one of these meme coins, I would say out of, if you do 100 meme coins, 98 of them are not going to last when things get tough. When everything, we're in a recession. They're not technically saying a recession because data is completely stupid. They got to wait 3 months and be like, oh, you guys, we was in a recession back there. Yes, we're in a recession right now. I'm saying it. I've been saying it for a while. We are in a recession. You know, we're going to look back and be like, yeah, that was we was a whole recession. So meme coins can't last throughout a recession. They can't. They don't hold no utility. They don't hold no value. It's no more hype. You got to think a lot of these coins are based up on hype and no utility. And if you're based on hype and no utility, you're going to fall crazy. You're going to fall and crash down bad at the worst time. So you're going to notice a year from now, if you're a meme coin and you're still here, you a bad mother lover. You a bad one. I was telling people, y'all know I've been telling everybody about Apecoin. Apecoin is not a meme coin to me. It's his cousin. With Apecoin, when it first came out, I said timing is everything. Apecoin came out when Bitcoin was on a rally. So we dropped Apecoin. Bitcoin and crypto was on a rally. It rode that bus, you know, and it started off on a great positive growth trend. And I'm like, yo, I don't trust Apecoin. I need to see what it's going to do by itself. I need to see Apecoin alone. And everybody, man, Lando, Apecoin to the moon, going to $50, man, you're crazy. You don't believe it. I'm like, no, I do not believe in it, because it's a bunch of people who never get into this industry, getting into this industry, and they're going to get scammed and lose money. First day, boom, airdrop, lost money. Next day, like, they're getting taken advantage of because they don't necessarily know what they are doing. So I have to be honest, Apecoin did 1,000 times better than what I expected, because when Bitcoin was going down, Apecoin was still completely going up. When everything else was going up or going down, Apecoin was still doing its thing. So it literally was in its own lane the way it was going. And I'm like, look, y'all just gotta wait. Y'all just gotta wait. You just gotta sit back and you gotta wait. And when I got involved in Apecoin, I made a quick $300 in a day, sold the next day, because once it hit over 27, I'm like, yup, because I told everybody, the way crypto is undefeated. Whenever it's a big project coming out, the other side coming out, everything about go to moon, it's undefeated. It's going to rally up to it, and the day of is going to crash. That's why I completely sold. And everybody that was in my comments going crazy, talking all they smack, they just disappeared, because I said the high for Apecoin in this year is going to be $27. It hit this $27. And originally, when I did my first video, I told people Apecoin, and I did an analysis on it. It's a $9 through $12 type of coin right now. The value is $9 through $12. Completely told everybody, you can go back and check my original video, or original first or second. Cause I did a live, and the way I got that, all I did was took what is in this industry, right? And Apecoin industry, you had Decentraland and you had Sandbox. So I literally took Sandbox and Decentraland, their coin circulation, their metrics, everything they're doing, and I switched it on up to Apecoin, and it's like, yeah, they're $9 to $12, and they have less, coins in circulation, so that's why the price is that much higher. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers. Hope you guys are enjoying it. If you haven't did it already, hit that like button. We need to get the likes up to 20, so we need 5 more likes. Press some things, and I'll read some of the comments while you guys hit the like button. All right, let's see who in the building. She said Bitcoin would touch a low 29. That would be wild. That will be wild. I hope it do. The World Economic Forum said 2 years they aren't worried about crypto. They are going to knock it on its ass. So here we are. I remember you talking about Ape. Yeah, man, I completely gave people game about that. Now, I'm not worried about the world of economics, because even like for example, even we can use me for example. Since I do this every single day, and I talk about the market, I talk about crypto, whatever it is, today I can be right. How I'm telling everybody, yeah, I'm right about Apecoin. I'm right about Apecoin. Tomorrow I can be wrong. So the world economic people, they was wrong for the last 2 years. And now you're finally quote unquote right. But are they right? Because the adoption of crypto is coming. So, and they're not knocking crypto on his ass. The economy is getting knocked down on his ass. So it's not like crypto is doing bad. Look at the stock market. Just look at the stock market. Look at Netflix. That's down over 50%. Look at PayPal. Strong company, down over 50%. Look at Robinhood, down like 85%. So you can look at Nvidia. I can go on and on of strong companies that still get knocked on their ass. We're in a recession, people. This was going on. The question is, what is the bottom? Because I don't know. If anybody know where the bottom at, let me know where the bottom at, because this is bad. This is crazy. Come on, one more like, get it up to 20. One more. So I'm about to get ready, take the wife and kid out to get some Mexican food. What somebody say, get a enchilada. Get an enchilada. Jack said, Lando, what's your thoughts on MMF right now? That's a great question, because I didn't talk about MMF. So, my honest, transparent, unfiltered thoughts with MMF. Whoever the team that run the projects are smart as dummies. You know a big smart dummy where like they're nerds that's smart and can do stuff that average people can't. But with logic, they're just dumb. MMF team, if you watch it, I'm sorry. Y'all some smart dummies. The decisions they make with the ecosystem don't make no sense. And it pisses me off because the ecosystem is so solid. The concept is so solid. We can get rich over there in DeFi. They just completely effing it up, just time after time after time. It's like, okay, man, I believe we're going to do good long term. And the problem is, I wanted a dip so we can get in and we can have more opportunity. I just didn't want it from them effing up. Every launch pad after launch pad, they keep on dropping the ball. They just did a Hakuna Matata yesterday. And I'm here. I didn't participate in it because I'm 0 for 2 on the last ones. And I'm like, I didn't do borrow. I wasn't going to waste my time. And now when I just click on Twitter, and for everybody that don't have me follow on Twitter and all social media platforms, I'm Lando Success, Lando space Success, or it's all together. Follow me on there. I follow everybody back until I can't. I'm not one of them assholes that just only follow one person. If you say something good, I like it, or retweet it. But so with Hakuna Matata, I was looking at the feed on Twitter and I seen people can't. Everybody in the feed have an error sign. Nobody can put money in, they can't take money out. Error. And I told people what they do is they build a car and they don't build it all the way the right way. For example, you build a car, you need the outer box, you need the body, right? Okay, we need a steering wheel. They will put the steering wheel in and they won't take the time to screw it all the way in. Okay, we gotta put the door handles. They won't screw it all the way in. We need the tires. They will screw 2 lug nuts in and go on, and they like, all right, next car. And it's like, yo, if we drive, this car is going to break down. And that's what's happening with the ecosystem because they're doing so many launch pads instead of getting it done, getting it right, getting everything, moving how it's supposed to be moving, But overall, long term, they're going to be good. Hakuna Matata is something the people voted for, the people wanted. That is basically something to make up for all of the stuff they've been doing to burn some Savannah finance. If y'all don't understand the language I'm talking about, it's DeFi. I nerded out a little bit. But I appreciate all of you people. You guys are amazing, man. Appreciate the love. It's time for me to go. I put $1,000 in SV and M chair and 1,000. That's amazing. That's a good price to put in. It's a good time to put in. My thing is, I literally stopped buying. I literally took my money out, let it dip, put my money back in, and it dipped again. Oh my gosh, when the dip keep dipping, yo. So I'm getting beat down over there in that area. Let's see, Lando, I really enjoy your videos. Thanks for putting such good content. Have a great Sunday. Damn, I can't afford 1K in crypto because I need 1K a month to survive. So that means you got to watch my channel more and you got to get out and go grind. It's Mother's Day. You know where I'm coming from? Doing some Uber Eats and Grubhub orders because it's Mother's Day and people was paying extra. I went out and did orders. Yeah, I'm about to take that money and go take my wife out. You got to grind, dog. You got to grind. Not enough money is no excuse in this economy, my friend. You got to work hard. You don't have a day job. No, I quit my job last March. I do not like people telling me what to do, how to do it. I get to talk my shit. I can talk politics on here. I can talk pro-black stuff. I can talk about anything. And my wife didn't like me out. So I can do all of that beautiful stuff, and I don't have to worry about filtering myself. Now with sponsors, my sponsors they love me for who I am, and we are good. But it ain't a big problem. It ain't a big problem. But yeah, so I quit the job last. What's up, kid? What's up? Hey, you ready? You ready? Say what's up to the people. Say da-da. That ain't the only word you know. What other word you know? You know book? What else you know? You know Omar?
So I'm eating.
What you eating? Some frutas. You ready to go get some Mexican food? Say que paso. Dame besos. You understand a little bit of Spanish. You don't know nothing. But yeah, so for the people that's late, the economy is definitely going to hell. Crypto is going to hell. Everything is going down. But we have to find the bottom. I am waiting for tomorrow to see exactly what's going on in the stock market, because I think it's going to be a very, 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 very bad crash. And that's just an indication of what's going on. What you making over there?
A cooked sandwich.
For him?
Yeah, because we haven't.
You happy?
No.
Happy Mother's Day, baby.
Happy Mother's Day. How the ass mess.
That's how you look.
You was alive.
That's how you be looking. That's what I married. You know,
that's not who you married.
That's who I married.
Okay.
Tennille, that's how you be looking.
Okay.
Oh man, what y'all get y'all wives for Mother's Day? Did y'all get y'all ladies anything?
Not a damn thing.
I made up the bed for you. I'm a sports official. Been doing it for 10 years and I love it. That is amazing, bro. That's real dope. I definitely love my sports. Who do you have now? What sports do you like? Because I like, actually, since they're not ready, we could keep the party going. We don't have to get off just yet. Let's go to the studio. Go to the studio. I thought they was gonna be ready.
No, we haven't
Actually, is my computer up here?
Is what?
Is the laptop up here?
You know it is. It's not like I be going to the basement to grab it.
I don't know if it's up here or down here.
You know where
So
it's
y'all,
at.
we about to take the party
I'm starving.
downstairs. We getting some Mexican food. Yeah, say Mexican food. So we can actually do real numbers now. Let's check out some real numbers. We got the laptop now. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. Hit that good old like button and subscribe button. Okay, let's see. Where is my mount? See, I don't have to come in, y'all. My mom said I get to stay out and I get to play with you guys. Just a little bit. A little bit longer. And I can pull up the market. What's going on? Spike's in the building. Will in the building. What's going on, Will? What's popping, dog? What is popping? Oh, I need to get my charger. Hold on. Let me grab the laptop charger. right. We back. We are back. Got the charger. And we can get it popping. Let's see what everybody is saying. We got JNYC in the building. What's going on, Jay? Nautica say, in that order, I started basketball, soccer, and volleyball. I love them all. I had Omar outside yesterday doing some soccer. I was considering buying my mom an NFT. Your mama beat your ass if you get her an NFT. You can be like, babe, you bought me a picture. You spent money on the picture? She be like, why you didn't print it up? She'd be pissed off. I wish I would bet my mom an NFT. So if I could show you guys this text message, my mom is crazy. So the way she work every Mother's Day, I haven't even told her Happy Mother's Day yet. Because whenever I tell her Happy Mother's Day, she hate it because she's like, baby, don't tell me Happy Mother's Day. I'm a mother every single day. So she texted me last week. She was like, hi, do not buy me anything for Mother's Day. I just want y'all to pray and be happy, whatever it is, right? So I replied, I was like, well, what if I buy you a new house? I was like, what if I buy you a new house? You still wouldn't take it because it's Mother's Day? She was like, yes, I will take it and make sure it's paid off. So she said that college sports are the real rules. In my opinion, professional sports are all entertainment. It's not real rules. Well, college sports is better in NCAA, in my opinion. I'm a big NCAA person when it comes down to basketball. With football, I'm a big college football person versus NFL. Now, I'm more of an NBA person versus college basketball. So if that makes any sense, let's see. Can we do it like this? Get this thing hooked up. See, I got all type of gadgets that I don't use. Get to use some different gadgets today. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah. So if y'all have any questions, feel free to let a player know. All right. We good. So I have my laptop and we can check and see what's going on here. I wish I could screen share. That would be dope. Let's first look at coin market cap and see what these nasty prices are looking like. What you guys got planned for Mother's Day? Y'all doing anything? So the prices overall is down 2.95, basically 3% in the last day. We have Bitcoin right now is at 34,300. Ethereum is at 2547. Then we're gonna talk about Tether so we can break it down more. So Lana is at $76. So Lana is a good buy right now. Did y'all see the video I did? I did two videos. I did the Fit Fee. That is one of the Earn to Run, and I did, was it Step App and Steppin'. Hey, you guys check those out? I'll feel a lot better once BTC gets back to 40K. Why a laptop? Get a desktop? Hell no, I move around too much for that. I move around too much for the desktop. I'm too scared to look at the charts, man. This shit look nasty. It look nasty. Frail boy in the building. What up, though, Frail? What's popping, dog? I've been searching for some free NFT mints. I found 2 launching next weekend for free. Only pay gas fee. Hopefully, I can flip them. Send those to me on Twitter so I can see what they're looking like. I like the walls you have. They're pretty dope. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. I wanted to switch it up a little bit. My wife kicked me out of my room when he was young, so I had to build me a little studio. Thing is, I'm gonna probably sell this soon because my house I want to get built from the ground up. I want my studio where it's like, okay, you have this part where I do my live. Over there is going to be like when I do just recording. So I'm going, basically I want 3 separate studios all in one. So I'll be able to record all type of videos. New subscriber, how often do you go live? It's not consistent. If I'm on the road, I go live every day. If I'm at home, I will go live 3 times out of the week. Like, for example, today, I didn't feel like planning an organized video, so it's easier to just kick it with y'all right now live. So today is a live day. Like, I probably go live later on, late tonight, studio lights, kick it like that. But thanks for the subscribe, dog. I appreciate it. If you guys watching this and haven't subscribed, why the hell? I need to show y'all so I can see. It will show me like a percentage. Just like, okay, Lando, out of the 100 people that watch your video, 90% of them is not subscribed. So it's like, why y'all not subscribed? But y'all still watch. That's the funny part. That is the funny part. Now, if we were to guess, let's do this, because I seen it earlier. If you were to guess, I ain't gonna do no crypto today, since I'll probably do a crypto giveaway later on. If you were to guess, I'm about to go to Coinbase, right? And I'm about to look at the top losers who basically, and don't cheat, what coins are within the top losers. If it's in the top 5, I will give it to you. You can throw some names out there. So meaning, what coin is down the most over the last 24 hours? I know them because I looked like 4 hours ago, so it might change. Let's see if you can name any of them. Any of them of the top losers. Or you can do the top gainers. You can do some of those. That's actually making money right now. Kronos was in there. That was in the top 10 when I checked it. Now it's probably something different. But it was in there when I checked them. Phantom, can we get like 50 likes? Let's get the likes up. That's what I'm talking about. That's a spirit. We gonna make you an admin. Because you talking my type of language. Let's make you an admin. Moderator. Nautica, you have been knighted, my friend. Okay, let's see. All right, let me see if I can flip it and show you guys without this being too crazy. Let's see. So this is what I'm looking at. The losers, you got Project Galaxy, and it changed from last time I checked it. But when I checked it a while ago, you had Apecoin was in the top 10. Well, top 5 actually. Apecoin is low. You had Kronos in here when I checked it before. Mirror Protocol, Maker. Let's see the top gainers. Pluton. Monero. What is Monero? Because I always see them. I never checked them out yet. Axie Infinity. That's interesting. Axie Infinity. Stepin, the video I talked about the other day. People is really liking Stepin. This is, in my opinion, let's talk about Sandbox. Let's go. Okay, somebody said it's a privacy coin. Now, what you mean by a privacy coin? How do you feel about Hodlnaut interest earned during a recession? Hodlnaut interest during a recession is it's a game changer. Because, for example, when I had my money in my UST in a Hodlnaut, what I did is shit just kept on dropping. I'm like, man, I'm getting out. So all I just did was swapped my Luna to UST. That's it. So it's like I can stop the bleeding and still be earning 13% APY. So that's why it's important to have, you know, it's a lot of different companies out there, but it's good to have like something like that. So if you guys are not with Hodlnaut, I don't know why you're not. Right now, actually, Hodlnaut is doing a promotion. You can get up to $50 You can get it in people you refer. So, for example, if you got Hodlnaut and you refer me to Hodlnaut, first way I'm going to get free $30 of USDC when I do my first deposit within the first week of over $1,000. Meaning you're just transferring $1,000 over there, right? Then you're gonna get $30. Another promotion they doing $20. All you gotta do is 500. So I think total 1,500. You just transfer it over there. You gotta hold it for 30 days, and you get a free $50. And whenever your friends do it, you get free money. It's called Lunatic Promotion. Shout out to Hodlnaut, man. I appreciate them. If you haven't did it already, I just did an interview, an AMA with Hodlnaut social media team. That was great, man. We had some fun. For those that's interested, definitely check it out, and you might learn some things. And we're talking about a recession. It's good. I love Hodlnaut default. Risk scares me. I have a huge bag there, but the rates are great. Yeah, we gotta take advantage of it right now because a lot of companies are lowering their rates. Hodlnaut lowered theirs, then they raised it because we was getting 12.73 with USDC, and they took that away and gave us USC 13%. So I love the transparency. Whenever they're about to do anything different, the team will reach out to me. They talk to me. Yo, Lando, we about to do this. Don't tell nobody. And I love that type of relationship. If I'm going to be sponsored by somebody, I need to be able to communicate and talk. And it's another company that reached out to me that's similar to Hodlnaut. And if you guys are watching, that offer is no longer on the table because I'm the type person, they supposed to hit me back like a week or two ago. You gotta communicate with me. You told me you was gonna hit me up last Friday. We like a week or so passed, and I don't do business like that. That just showed us, all money not good money. But with this dip, I need to take some more sponsorships. I need to really. I'm gonna answer some of these emails, man. I'm gonna wink twice if y'all see me talking about scam likely coin. Hey, you guys. Scam likely have an NFT coming out. If I wink twice, that means don't buy it. I just had to take the bag. You're gonna have a lot of your favorite YouTubers. Real talk, yo. A lot of your favorite YouTubers are about to be doing some scammy ass sponsorships for the companies they wasn't reaching back to because they're losing money. Mark my words, y'all gonna come back and be like, yo, Lando, one of my favorite YouTubers I respect literally just took a sponsorship by freaking Joe Smo. Oh, Lord. I crack myself up sometimes. All right, let's see what, Nautica, pull out all my crypto and waiting for the real estate market to crash. Queen, what's going on, Queen? Nothing is wrong with that. Because, everybody be like, man, you better hold forever. Hold. The hell with that. This is your money. My thing I love about it is no matter what you do, it's a learning lesson. So say, for example, you poured your money out right now and crypto shot up and you missed out on $10,000. That's a life lesson. Shouldn't have pulled out. Now you know next time, if you're going to pull out a certain type of way. Let's say you pull out and it keep on going down like I did. I pulled some money out and that shit kept on going down and I put it in and it just went down some more. So, I saved money, but, I still lost, whatever it is. But that's the type of mindset you want to have. It's a life lesson when it comes down to this. There's no perfect way. And I always use my dog Pro to Doge as an example because he cared so much about what other people was thinking. He's like, yo, I'm Pro to Doge, millionaire, Dogecoin millionaire, made this money, here go my portfolio. Y'all, I'm going to hold. Even though you could have locked in, like Graham Stephan, Andre Jake told him, like, yo, if you sell right now, you can solidify you a Dogecoin millionaire. You can guarantee to just put this money to the side, earning 8%, you'll be good for life. Like, basically, you'll be set for life if you just sold right now and still kept some in. He held, and his money went down 80%. Literally didn't become a millionaire no more because he was worried about what other people thought, such as, oh, you get paper hands. And I would take profits quick as hell. Nobody can't, troll me in and not, doing what I want to do with my money. Let's see. So, yeah, y'all can ask questions away. I'm in a good mood. I'm waiting for them to get ready. so y'all can ask all the little questions. But before we do, let's get them likes up. Let's get the likes up to 40. Get the likes up to 40. Now could say we wanted at 50 by the end of this live. That will be dope, yo. That will real life be dope. Now I can say I used Stash and Acorn. I didn't know what to do with my money there, so I went out on it. So I never used Acorn. I use Stash every day. I was going to stop using Stash and convert over to using my crypto card. But once they lower rates and all that type of stuff, I'm still on Stash. And at this point, I'm so solidified with Stash, I get dividends all the time. Like I get 15 cents worth of dividends every day because if you pay your bills with Stash, you're getting stock back. Plus, you're gaining this interest, and you got interest in the company, so you're getting these dividends. So imagine if I got Verizon Wireless, right? I pay my Verizon Wireless bill every single month, so I'm getting money over there. Then you basically getting that dividends. How y'all doing?
I'm good. I'm just grabbing some deodorant.
Okay, so y'all ain't ready yet?
Yeah, he's almost done eating.
Okay, cool. So yeah, so with my Stash account, that just make perfect sense of keep on using it. Long term, your money will grow over there. And like I told somebody in the comments yesterday that asked me about Stash account, the reason I love them is because it's harder to take your money out. You have a lot of programs or platforms, say for example, Cash App. If you buy a stock in Cash App, you can literally sell it while the market is open and get that money back in your account within 2 minutes. With me, that's not good because if I need some money, I can literally just cash it out and have it. With Stash, I know I gotta sell it. I gotta wait for it to go through. I gotta wait for like some processing days. I gotta transfer the money over to my bank account. What's gonna take another 3 to 5 days? It's gonna take you like 2 weeks to get your money. So it's not worth selling over there. So you just leave your money in. So that's why I like Stash. You just gotta use each app for certain things. Like Stash, you can just use for your ETFs or whatever it is. Then if you got Robinhood, which I hate, you can use Robinhood just for your REITs or whatever it is. So you just use every platform for different things, so you just won't have your money all in one. The goal is get rich, then we're going to put it in like Merrill Lynch or Vanguard and invest boringly, but still make good money. Rafi Crawford say, hey, from Australia, cheers to you, mate. Cheers to you. I appreciate it. It's dope. I can't wait. When we keep on growing, I am definitely coming to Australia, and we're going to do a meet and greet because I have a strong following in Australia. What the hell y'all doing out there, man? I love it. I can't wait to go out there and kick it in Australia. Drinks going to be on you. If I fly my ass all the way out there, you ban some drinks. But yeah, I appreciate the love, man. That's definitely dope. My Australian people in the building. I hope y'all don't get how the clubs are in Australia. Guys, make sure you hit that like button. You know it. I just pretend the sell button don't exist. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Do you see Crow at $10 in the next 5 years? That is an amazing question. Great question. Do I see Crow? Okay, so all right, since you asked the question, y'all, I gotta give me time. Let me nerd up a little bit. Let me first, let's see. All right, let me first pull up this. I'm sorry, I'm about to be all up in y'all face, but here, let's see if I can do this. There we go. I'm not all in your face. So what I'm doing right now, I am on Coinbase since I'm already on it, and I'm pulling up Crow. Crypto.com. Time of recording this, we're at 26 cents, right? Now, he said in the next 5 years. So let's see in the last year, right? The last year, we're up 42% on Crow. Meaning a year ago today, we was at 18 cents. And right now, we are at 26 cents. Close to 50%, we are up, right? Let's just worst case scenario. Remember, we're doing a recession, we're doing a crash, right? Let's say, because remember, the more people get in, the more we implement it, the less value, the less circulation. It's just going to keep on going up, right? But let's say a year from now, we double up. So right now we're at 26 cents, all right? 26 cents. A year from now, we double up, then that make us 52 cents. So a year from today, let's say Crow is at 52 cents. Then 2 years, it will be at $1.04. Double up. 3 years, we'll be at $2.08. 4 years, we will be at $5.60. And 5 years, we will be at $11.20. With the crash going right now, off of just simple, let's just say we double every single year. 5 years from now, we'll be at $11.20. Do I believe we can do that 100,000%? Because Crypto.com, even though it's going through its bullshit right now, Crypto.com is the best to me. Such as the whole ecosystem, the whole platform. They have DeFi. You got to use Crow for DeFi. So in DeFi is a whole different lane. So you got DeFi over here, right? You have NFTs starting to grow. So you got the NFT sector. You have the exchange where people is going to completely buy and sell. And you have the brand. Crypto.com as a brand is not going anywhere because they started the infrastructure of ads and stuff. I think what Crypto.com is doing the Formula One right now in Miami. They are signing deals that's 15-year, 20-year deals. So it's not going nowhere. And they have enough money to figure it out. Like when they made this mistake recently, they righted the wrong to a certain extent, not all the way perfectly, but yeah, you know how that go. And for people for the stocks, if you're not signed up with Moomoo and get your free stocks, just click the link in the bio, sign up for Moomoo. I believe the promotion right now, you get a free stock once you sign up. You get I'm not even going to paraphrase because I don't want to get yelled at. Click the link in the bio and figure out what promotion it is. Because I think last time I checked, the promotion is Apple or Tesla stock if you do a quiz, but we will see. Yeah, and I could, Crawford, I could do like real math such as my prediction and stuff, but I just want to keep it simple. Let's just keep it simple. If it's going to double, let's just do it like that because you got to look. Right now I'm looking at Crow. The typical hold time is 85 days. People is buying Crow and not selling it. So, number one, the typical hold time is perfect. The company is doing good. Marketing is doing great. It's a trifecta, man. It's just everything they're doing is good. The coin circulation is too damn high, but that's why I tell people Crow is a 20-year type of retirement bet. So keep on buying Crow as you're doing it. More shares, more likes, more subscribers. Tell your people about Lando. Drop exclusive bomb. I love Coinbase, but I didn't know they are operated by the government. Yeah, Coinbase. I loved Coinbase at first because there was my first love, my first into crypto. And I used to buy, for my young people, I used to buy on a thing called GDEX. Coinbase owned GDEX, and you was able to trade for like free over there. So I just think Coinbase didn't evolve with the fast growth of crypto as much as they needed to. They came to corporate too soon. You know what I mean? Like, all right, for example, right? Coinbase was the grandfather. You should have stayed like Tesla, right? Tesla is a grandfather. Tesla is light years ahead of every 20%. So Tesla's right here. You got Li Auto, Neo. You got Lucid Motors. You got everybody's all the way down here. Tesla, they really can't catch up with Tesla. Too much. So Coinbase should have been right here. FTX shouldn't be catching up. You got all of these different exchanges. Binance, Crypto.com. None of these should be on Coinbase level. So they went mainstream. They became public. And I thought it was a great idea. I'm like, yo, this is great for Coinbase, man. But rethinking everything, I don't know. I'm not as bullish on Coinbase as I once was. Only thing now I can say is the security is there. Since they are a New York Stock Exchange company, I feel safe putting my money in Coinbase because it's more secure, if that make any sense. You missed my conversation about MMF. So I did a whole rant about MMF. So you just got to rewind back. And I did completely talk about MMF for you. Just got to go back a little bit, player. I like the math a lot more. The $100 per coin is usually a stretch for 5 to 10 years. Yeah, that's definitely a stretch. But, we just got to go. First, we got to get to $1. Then we got to get to $2. Then we got to get to 5. Also request a video on different types of buy and advanced trading. I'm going to start a Patreon soon. If I started a Patreon, would you guys be interested? And when I do the Patreon, for example, you guys will get up-to-date daily videos. When I don't feel like going live, I don't feel like doing a strategic video, because doing a video, I got to put these lights on. I got to get my camera. I got to make sure this charged up. I have to have a script. I got to write it down in here. I got to plan it, execute. It's a lot. But in a Patreon, it's literally like talking to your friend like this. Hey, y'all, this is what I'm doing. Let me show you real quick. I just bought in this, and this is why I bought in. I got a buy and sell limit right here. So the Patreon, it will be expensive. I'm not doing a low $2 Patreon. It'll probably be like a $20 Patreon a month. But the way I look at it is like, shit, $20 a month. And I'm about to show you how to make thousands and literally build a crazy portfolio is worth it if you're paying for that for small stuff. So I don't know when I'm going to do it, but probably when crypto.com come out with the buy and sell in the United States. They have it in Australia. To my brother in Australia, do you have that already where you can do the buy and sell limit orders with Crow? They said it's in Australia already. Thoughts on the Metaverse? The Metaverse, randomly, I was thinking about this before I got on live. The Metaverse have an opportunity right now. During a recession, a Metaverse is a made-up place where you want to go. The Metaverse can be recession-proof. The way I talked about Step App, the way I talked about Stepping, those are recession-proof companies because you don't need to, it don't matter what's going on in Ukraine, you can still go outside and go run. It don't matter what's going on with virus, you can still go outside and run. So that's like, I think a lot of companies are building right now that build in the mix of this and launch their crypto company. A lot can be very, very successful. And going to the Metaverse, I believe when everything is going to hell and people don't know where to spend their money, we want to take our mind away from all this crazy stuff. Yo, let's go to Snoop Party in the Metaverse. Let's go buy this land. Let's go buy this plot. If they figure out a newer way to flip the Metaverse, I believe it can be profitable during this recession we are in. So I am not bullish on the Metaverse, but I like the Metaverse. I was thinking minimum/max buy. So if it dropped below, does it sell to the other? I have to see exactly what you're talking about. Let's get it to 40 likes, man. Come on, somebody hit the like button who haven't already did it. That 39 number do not look good. Somebody hit that like button. Let's get it up to 40. Come on, get it up. Press that like button. Somebody in here watching it. All you gotta do is press that damn button with your thumb. You watching this on your phone? Just press that button. Come on. Come on. Just one person, because I know all y'all in here didn't hit that like button. So this is what we gonna do. We're gonna have to do this for y'all to get the likes up. There we go. All right, we back. All right, we good. So have you seen the movie Ready Player One? It's a Metaverse movie. I heard about it. I haven't seen it yet. I need to check it out. Decentraland is one of them. I love Decentraland. I am holding I own some Decentraland, own some Sandbox. What is y'all thoughts about Apecoin right now? Are you, be honest. First let's talk about anybody in here that ever bought any Apecoin, even if you just have one. Let me know. Just press one in the comments. One in the comments if you bought any Apecoin ever. Press one. So that's the first thing. We need to see who bought some Apecoin before. All right, Salamander bought Apecoin. Who else bought some? But it's awesome. I can set a crow by. Oh, so y'all do have it. Oh, I'm so jealous. Oh my God. When I tell you that's the reason I want to do a Patreon in, is because I will be able to show you how to save so much money on Coinbase. Like, yo, because of what happens usually. Crypto go crazy for some reason between midnight and 4 a.m. in the States, Eastern Standard Time. So usually that's time people are asleep. So you would go to sleep with a bag and you'll wake up bleeding like, damn, I just lost $1,200 from taking a damn nap. So if you could literally be like, hey, while I'm asleep, if my Bitcoin go under 35,000, sell that shit. And we can wake up in the morning and we can refigure this stuff out. Like, it's so much money can be made and saved. All right, so we got a few people that bought Apecoin. All right, so we got John said it, Salamander said it, I'm in here. All right, what are your thoughts right now? Because I know we all had like a idea of Apecoin back when it was seceding, back before the other side, before all of this recession stuff. What's your thoughts on Apecoin right now? With that price dropping from $27, you got to think half of 27 is 13. It dropped over 50%. So it's at like 54% drop in a short time frame. Do you have faith in it recovering? Are you buying the dip? What you doing? Did you just jump ship? I would love to know. I lost 50% already. Because usually we're going to buy in on the high at the most part because you don't want to miss out. So I'm assuming you bought in probably like at 26. Yeah, I'm keeping it. Yeah, at this point, if I were you, so let's say you bought in at $26, we down to $13, you're down 50%. What I would do is I wouldn't take this loss right now. I will wait to go back up to like 17 cents, then sell and reevaluate. So you're going to take a loss, in my opinion. I would say wait until another jump where you get like it jump to $17. Then I will sell it and I will take that money and literally put it into somewhere else that's more, but I'll put it in Luna. You take that money, put it in Luna at $60, it shoot up to $80. Boom, you'd have made your money back while Apecoin's still doing the same. That's how I will do it, to be honest. Buy more than once. Go up to under $11. Dollar cost average the way in. Buy more once. Go under 11. What about crypto.com coin is dying? You missed that. I already talked about it, player. I already talked about it. Come on, let's get 6 more likes and I can get out of here. I can take my wife and son out. My battery did bleep and said it was 20% like 5 minutes ago. So I hope this don't die. Let me see if I can see my battery life. It didn't say 10% yet, so we still good. But at least let's leave on a positive note with 60 likes. We need 6 more likes. Now, while we're doing this, let's go to crypto, CRYPTO news.net. Cryptonews.net. Yep, that's one of them. See what's going on over here. Here's how Dogecoin has fared since hitting its ATH 1 year ago. That's what I'm telling you. These meme coins, y'all, it's not a cute game when the economy start going to hell. Oh, wonder if I can do this. This would be dope. We can do this just a little bit. Bam. All right. See what he's talking about with Dogecoin. The meme cryptocurrency famously reached its peak of 73 cents 1 year ago. What I tell you guys about Doge, pro to Doge, he had a chance to sell, and now look where it's at. I will assume it's at like 13 cents. The peak price at the centerpiece, so they basically took all everything I said. So what is Dogecoin price? It was at an 83% drop from its record high. That is bad. That is bad. Let's see, what is Dogecoin price right now? What is Dogecoin? Doge is at, where you at, Doge? 13 cents, so I had it right. Yeah, that's a tough one. Tough deal, dog. Tough deal. Here's why Decentraland finance will completely take over traditional system. According to top crypto analysts, this week, Coinbase NFT flops. Coinbase NFT project really flopped in my opinion. What do you guys think? Because nobody cared about it. Nobody talked about it. And it came out doing a crash. Let's see what they're saying. I'll probably do a video on that later on. That's probably how I do a video. Feds hope soft landing for U.S. economy, but history suggests it won't prevent a recession. So let's see. Here's how Terra potentially pushed Bitcoin down to 35,000. I don't agree with that statement, but we will close out talking about this. Terra Luna Foundation considered a saver of the cryptocurrency market back in March with $1 billion worth and a buying spree. Tutu can now be the reason behind the massive drop of digital gold to 34,500. Following the massive outflows from UST on Anchor, holders of the stablecoin had to witness a brief depegging. That word is hilarious. Which caused the price of the stablecoin to drop below $1. To regulate the prices of stable assets, the foundation had to sell some of its Bitcoin holding, which added to even more pressure to the poorly performing asset. It is not yet clear how much fund they sold. While people are moving away from USC, it says two reasons behind the outflow increase. It says Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency plunges. Panic sentiments has overtaken the market. So they said people are panicking. And the second thing is the reason that is viewed to the outflow can be tied the release of USDD stablecoin by Tron, which will offer greater rates for liquidity. I haven't heard about that. You guys haven't told me shit about USDD by Tron. Why y'all ain't told me about that? I'm not hip to it. So we gotta do a video about that. Lando, you need to open up XRP. I am not stunting you, Will, in your damn XRP. I have Spellcoin. Yeah, I have a Spellcoin too. I never sold it. Spell getting whooped on. Share this video, people. We broke the fourth wall. You know it. You know it. Shiba will be accepted by Gucci. I heard that. But it's not helping their price. I heard Gucci Gents Croc Club. All right, we need one more like. We can finally get out of here. Come on, one more like. I can go check on them. I gotta go spend my hard-earned money on my beautiful family. Hold on. Let's do this. Do this. Oh, and I gotta go get my fantasy football trophy engraved to the last owner. The last winner. Stuff. Oh, we got past 50. Hey. You can't open that up. Leave that alone, kid. You can't open that up. Leave that alone. You ready to go eat? You ready to have some fun? Say hasta luego, people. Y adios. Say see y'all later. Give them pounds. All right, y'all. You see the goals. 100,000. Let me show y'all the goals. We need 100,000 subscribers by December 31st, 2020. The goal, I want 35,000 views per day. If I get 35,000 views per day, this is over 1 million views a month. I want that. 275 subs per day. That would get us 10,000 subs a month. I like that. And we are Xing it out one at a time. Appreciate you, beautiful people. Take care of your loved ones, your mom, your wife, your lady, your sad chick. All of it. Have some fun. I will talk to you, beautiful people, later. I appreciate all of you guys.